Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to 45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice, where I make myself sick off of pumpkin products. Today we're trying Trader Joe's pumpkin butter. I have no idea what to use this in, but I'm thinking that maybe it'll mix well. God, I always try to open cans on camera. Idiot. I don't know, I can barely do it. Let's see, we can't do it. I've tried it before, but you guys hear, ooh, that was satisfying. Looks like this. Smells like sweet baby food. Not that I eat baby food. I have. There's a lot of things I'm not proud of. Please don't write in the comments, coworkers. I'm kidding. Or am I? No. So, should we just like manhandle this right now? Just go for it? No, that's gross. I got something even grosser. I got a suggestion from my girlfriend Brooke to make pumpkin spice popcorn, and I was like, that sounds complicated. So why not taste pumpkin butter with popcorn and then maybe go from there? Is this a bad idea? I'm full of those. I'm kidding. So yeah, Trader Joe's pumpkin butter. Refrigerate after opening. That's a lot of responsibility. We're going to try it. It's on my mattress now, whatever. It's imprinted on me. So we are just going to go for it. Yeah. It tastes like baby food. Not that I still eat it, but so sweet. I'm going to make bruschetta, a like ham and cheese panini, or something sweet and savory. I wanted to see if Brooke's idea was good. Brooke's a dentist, and she's a little bit more educated than me. Maybe doesn't mean she doesn't make it. I don't know. Shut up. This isn't. Don't talk about other people. No, I love to gossip. So this isn't bad. I'm not that hungry. 98% of the time when I eat, I'm not hungry. I'm gonna make pumpkin spice popcorn. Good idea, Brooke. I'm going to steal your credit. Actually, forget I told you Brooke said it. This is my idea. Oh, but, pumpkin butter, pumpkin butter is actually really good. I like it. Very calorically dense and sweet. And sugar is the second ingredient, followed by honey and lemon juice concentrate. I think the pectin, or like the acidity and the citric acid from the lemon juice, kind of balances it out a little bit. There's cinnamon, cloves, ginger, nutmeg, which you don't really taste. You just taste pumpkin and sugar. I like it. I'm going to buy it again. I have no idea when I'm going to use it again. This is one of those products where you buy it once and then it just chills on your counter for forever, but it's basically only available in Trader Joe's from September to November. So I basically, basic girl training, have to buy it every year because I can. You know, it's that thing where you're like, I don't know if I need this or not, but it's on sale and I'm going to shove it in my cart because why not? So, yeah, what can we do? Oh, it also has suggestions on here. So like right here it says, you can add it in filling, a pastry filling, poultry glaze, ice cream topping, and like other ideas for you to. You can make pumpkin soup. Okay, no, that's out of control. That's why I bought pumpkin bisque. I got pumpkin bisque. Also, fun news. Besides this pumpkin butter, Trader Joe's just dropped some more pumpkin spice. Fun fact, I don't really like Trader Joe's that much. I wouldn't shop here if they didn't have such bomb pumpkin spice products. It's 45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice. I'm trying to self-sabotage my diet. And yeah, so far, 7 out of 10. Give it. I like it. It's like me without makeup. You know, it'll get by, right? Until then, maybe I'll just keep dunking it in popcorn because that seems to be working pretty well. You know, does it thicken up if I put it in the refrigerator, you think? Only one way to find out. So until then, I hope everybody has a good rest of their day. Eat some pumpkin butter. Eat something pumpkin spicy. And yeah, stay basic. Stay safe. Stay pumpkin spice 45 nights. We got 29 more days to go. Maybe I should do like a before and after, like weight check-in. Until then, bye guys.